Hi, I'm Lolly. Welcome to my cabin tour on board Allure of the Seas. This is cabin number 8546. So come with me. So we've got a little bit of storage here and here, and we've also got a couple of hooks up there. So this is the main bed here. As you can see, it can be separated. And then over here, we've got the telephone. And that's got different things on. So you've got wake up call, you've got a stateroom attendant, room service is on there. So then this is the sofa, and then we've got your bin there and a little table, and then over on this side we've got the telly, we've got fridge in here, it's quite cold, and then we've got different drawers. So we've got hairdryer, we've got some tissues, and we've got drawers, another drawer, and then we've got a chair, and then over here got more storage, and then we've got some plug sockets here, and then we've also got more storage here, you can see, and then out here we've got the balcony. So we've got 2 chairs and a table, and this is our current view from Barcelona. And then these are the dividers, so if you had an adjoining cabin you could ask for them to be removed so you could get to both cabins that way. Let's go back in. So we've got a light switch there. It's not working. Okay, I probably need to put the key card in. So we've got over here. So we've got, this is the storage. We've got a safe here. This is the laundry bag, which we will be needing to use. So we can fill that up. So I just wanted to show you how big the laundry bag is, because I hear a lot about the laundry bag. It is made of thin paper, but I've heard you can fit quite a lot in, but I will be trying that later, and I'll show you then how much I've managed to fit in. That's the laundry bag. So we've got more shelving here. So you can see we've just got all our suitcases in. We've got some hangers and storage there. Little table, that one. And then we're going to go into the bathroom. So you've got the shower, and that's actually got hair and body wash. It's quite a nice size. Got a couple of hooks there if you wanted to hang anything up, like for swimming costumes. And you've got the toilet, your bin, and then you've got the sink, and then you've just got some more storage space there. Little drawer there. And then you've got more hooks and more towels there. Oh, and you've even got some hooks on the back of the door as well. So just mind your step when you walk out of that. And then you've got different switches. You've got a master switch, different light switches. And then on the back of the door, it shows where your assembly station is. Ours is B1. And then you've also got this, which is a magnet. So if you didn't want to be disturbed, you could stick that on the front of the door. And I also just want to show you what we were given. So we've given a welcome aboard leaflet, and then the onboard benefits if you're a Crown and Anchor member. Spectacular specials you can take advantage of. our ironing special, and these are the shows that they have on. You normally can pre-book about 30 days beforehand, so you probably would have pre-booked, but if not, you can do them in the app, or there is a desk downstairs where we've just gone and booked ice skating. And we also got an envelope, and that's just got our tickets in for all our shore excursions for this holiday. So I also just wanted to show you the sofa when it's been made up to a double bed. Me and my husband ended up on here and separating the king into twin beds for the kids to sleep on. The cabin attendant left it up, so as you can see we didn't have a lot of room to move around. We were glad we had the extra space on the balcony. I also discovered these extra plugs which were under the desk. They were quite hard to reach, especially with the bed down, as there wasn't a lot of room to move the chair out. We also found more plugs under the bed on our last day, so you can check here too. Back to the laundry, you have to fill in a form to say how many of each item you're sending with the wash and fold bag service. If the items aren't on the form, or you want a couple of items, you can pay individually. This was our laundry bag filled up. I managed to fit quite a bit in. I gave it to our cabin attendant in the afternoon and got it back the following afternoon. Do check your Crown and Anchor benefits if you're a member, as I had a $5 credit and added a note to the form for it to be used. I hope you've enjoyed my balcony cabin tour. We really enjoyed being on deck 8 and being so close to Central Park, which is beautiful at night. It was my favourite deck. If you have any questions, drop them in the chat and I'll do my best to answer. If you want to take a closer look at the Allure of the Seas, I'll be adding more cruise vlogs and my best tips to make the most of your cruise, and the best breakfast restaurants to eat in. These are all coming soon, so please like and subscribe so you don't miss them. Thanks so much for watching.